today?
It's Yvette. Woohoo!
We're visiting with each
cat
other.
mom.
She is a cat mom. We're visiting each other, and my box is out and her box is out. So she's got a video on mine, and now I'm making one of hers. So this is Yvette's perfectly pieced project box. Woohoo!
Halloween edition.
The Halloween edition. I can't wait to get this open. I'm so excited.
I can't wait for it to open it.
Yvette's amazing. She has great taste in fabric. She curates wonderful boxes, and I can't wait to see. I'm sure it's exciting. Woo! It's okay. So I cut the tape, but as you can see,
We stabbed the tape, really. We did.
I haven't. Yeah, we did. I haven't broke open the seal yet. So let's see what's in here. Beautiful green paper.
It's for Halloween.
I know. I love green. Ooh. So right on top is her whole sheet. That's everything's in the box. And here's what she says. First, I want to thank you for supporting me in my dream to design, teach, nurture, and in every way facilitate a love of quilting, and most importantly, foundation paper piecing. And for those of you who don't know, Yvette does teach foundation paper piecing. And she's got a club. Would you call it a club?
It's a membership.
Yeah.
Club,
that she
whatever.
teaches paper piecing. And if you want to find more about that, look in the description box below. I'll put a link to her stuff. And here she says, because of you, I'm growing and learning more and more about design. Please enjoy creating this adorable, if I may say so myself, I'm going to say so myself because everything she makes is adorable, door hanging / table runner / whatever your heart desires. And then please consider posting pics of your creation to social media with the hashtags #TrickOrSweetFPP and #PiecingItReal. And Piecing It Real is the name of her group that she has.
Yes, and might I say that the name of my project was thought up in her daughter's lovely little head, and it's called Trick or Sweet. And so Sarah, thank you so much. Sometimes naming things, especially when you've designed it, is so difficult to do. So I love you bits, sweetheart. Thank you so much. I just love the name of the project.
And Sarah absolutely loves you, and she was happy to do it.
Oh my gosh, I love her.
All right, so let's see what's in here.
Okay.
Hello, box of yum. First of all, I don't know if I should show you guys this because I might get to keep it if I show it to other people. But
it's Halloween. I couldn't just give you anything.
Okay, trick or sweet. She gave us the sweet, dude. Like yum. So she gave us this crispy cakes marshmallow rice crispy treat, and mine is a cookies and cream flavor.
There are. I thought there were
There's
6
an
different.
Oreo in the middle of a rice crispy treat.
I think there's 8 different flavors. So if you got a box, I don't know which one you got, but there's 8 different flavors.
Sarah, if you're watching, you're not getting this. This is mommy's. I might share it with her. It's kind of big.
She might.
And since she did like help name the box, but holy moly, that looks yummy. And then, ooh, so pretty. Okay.
I'll hold this.
Awesome.
You can like.
Inside there's a rotary cutter, an Opal rotary cutter. And
What's a blade, really?
Blade, sorry. I had too much wine. Excuse me.
She didn't have too much. She had just enough.
Just enough. But maybe because, yeah, maybe not be thinking straight. But anyway, 45mm rotary cutting blade, which is always in handy because, like, as quilters, how many times do you go, why didn't I change my blade sooner? Right?
All the time.
All the time.
All the time. Also,
even
needles.
us who cut all the time.
Oh my goodness.
We do it all the time.
I never changed my needle either.
And then we have a Synthread glow in the dark thread, 550 yard spool.
I'm so excited about this.
Glow in the dark thread. That's amazing. I'm so excited for that. I think that's going to be amazing to quilt on it. And
now,
you could really see,
I did not test it.
Yeah.
However, I did read that if you just put it out either in light or out in the sun for like an hour or so, then it'll start glowing again. Oh. So apparently it just needs a little light and then it'll glow again.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so that's that. Rice crispy treat, that yum. Yum. I'm gonna get down here and get the pattern because I want to show you guys this because, oh my goodness, look at the cuteness. Look, it says boo. There's kitty cats. You're talking to the cat lady here.
Oh my
Look at her
gosh,
shirt.
you
Cat
guys,
mom,
I'm a cat mom.
Cats.
And when I sat down to start designing this, I thought, cats, black cats.
This is adorable, and it does say Boo on it. So, but if you're not a big fan of Halloween, you could always leave the Boo off of it and just do the cats.
You could,
because the cats are adorable. Look at those cats. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to make this. So she's got the full pattern here in a big pattern booklet. Like, this is amazing.
I'm so proud of it. I really am.
This is amazing.
It's like something I've always wanted to do.
Color booklet, right?
And you're getting the first one.
Yes.
So, yeah.
You're amazing.
You're amazing.
Aw. And then she also, the pattern, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, has the templates in it. So if you make this, you can copy them from the book. But if you want to make it again, but she gave us all the templates for the first time. So you have nothing that you need to copy, print, anything. She gave us everything. Like, this is amazing.
And there's actually numbers on it this time.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm the first to admit I am one of the most human people you'll ever meet in your life. But I do learn from my mistakes.
And she did tell me as soon as she sent it all to us last time, she's like, oh no, I forgot the numbers. It's okay.
Listen.
You're human. We all make mistakes.
I'm human. It's a huge mistake. I'm totally, I own up. I do. Yep. I own up to it. But now it's like at the top of my checklist.
Okay, so in this box we have 4.5 total yards of fabric. And she did put a note in here saying that the Blizzard Thatch, she was expecting thatched, had to be replaced by Bella Silky Super White due to COVID delays. Because if you guys don't know, things were kind of catching up, but everything started to be delayed again because of the new issues out there. And we're not going to talk about all that here because we want to be fun.
Yeah, we're just explaining why.
It's just, that's why she had to replace it, because it wasn't coming in till way after this box was going to go out. So, yep. So she'll save it for another project. You guys will see it again.
Something else. Yeah.
So here we've got that white. It's really pretty. It's super white. It really is. And it does feel really soft.
Does it? Do you see how it does feel different? Like when I saw the super silky or Bella Silky, I just was like, oh, okay, well, let me give it a go. I think it's nice.
And then we've got some black.
This is Art Gallery Fabric Black in Caviar.
And you guys, if you've never felt Art Gallery fabric before, Yvette carries in her shop. I never felt it, honestly, until Yvette sent me some. It's so soft. If you feel the difference between this and other things, you'll never go back.
And then sewing with it, like it's got that perfect weight. Like a lot of times with solids, they end up, to me, feeling kind of like thin. Art Gallery is not like that. It's so gorgeous.
And then, look at you guys. Look at this beautiful rainbow of colors. Yes, please. So this is going to be for all the candy.
The candy.
And the accents around the cat.
Yes.
Yeah. So look at how gorgeous. And this is called The Watcher?
This is called The Watcher by Libs Elliott for Andover Fabrics. And even though, I mean, when you get it, it's got skulls on it, but it's cutesy. It's not like, because the colors are amazing.
Yeah.
Nice, bright
And as you
colors.
can see, I'm holding it back here. If skulls aren't your thing, these aren't sugar skulls, first of all. They're just skulls.
Right.
Number one. Number two, if skulls really aren't your thing, when you're holding it back here and it's hanging on your wall, you're not going to see it.
Yeah.
All I see is this gorgeous color.
Yeah.
Look at all these colors.
Yeah.
Love it.
It's
Beautiful.
very true. And I will have some extra in the shop if you would like to use something like that for your backing. Because it's not like a huge project. You're not going to have to break the bank making or buying the backing.
So the total value for this box was $125, and I think we got charged
$85.
Yeah. So this is an amazing value. And if you guys don't know, when Yvette makes a project box, she always gives us extra fabric because it is paper piecing and everybody cuts different.
Yeah.
So there's always plenty in case you make a mistake. She gives us more than what is necessary. She's very generous, and I cannot believe this. I cannot believe you gave us a box for $85 and it was $125 value. That's amazing. Like, you are not going to get this in a store. You're not going to get this much stuff in a store for $85. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you for opening it. Thank you for showing your beautiful face while you open it. I'm so happy I was able to talk her into being in the video.
She talked me into it. You guys, I'm the introvert. I'm shy and quiet, so it's a little hard for me, but with a little bit of maybe liquid courage and friend courage.
Yeah, I said, I'll sit next to you.
I was able to do it.
And then I'll say how amazeballs my own box is. It's a great.
It is. It really is. Like, I mean, Yvette is my friend. You guys know that. But even if she wasn't my friend, I mean, really, $85 for a $125 value, you can't beat that. You can't find that anywhere. You can't go into a quilt shop and buy this kind of fabric and this whole project for that much money. I mean, this is an amazing value. So
I would really love feedback, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, even if you're being like having some constructive criticism, I'm really okay with it. If people come at me in a nice way and just have something to offer, listen, I'm here. I'm ready to listen. This is the first time that I have printed the patterns on vellum, so I'd also like to hear what you think about that. I've used vellum.
I'm sorry, go ahead. But I will put her email down below too. So if you guys would like to give her, please, constructive criticism, be nice.
Yeah.
You know,
most people are very nice, so it's okay.
Let her know what you think of the vellum. Let her know what you think of the project box. She would love to hear your feedback. So
yeah,
definitely like shoot her an email. You know,
I learn by listening to you guys, and I know Stephanie feels the same way. So anytime you have any advice or you know, something you'd like to suggest, we're both way open. I mean, as long as you're not coming at us like with a we're good.
You're ready for Halloween, aren't you?
I am ready. Let's break open that marshmallow treat, right? Wait, I'll eat the sucker.
Sounds good. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you like sticking around, seeing what's in Yvette's box. She does have a few left in her shop. If you haven't gotten this yet, run over there and get it, because she's not going to have them left for long.
No, I don't think so.
Because this is just so cute and adorable, and I cannot wait to make this. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I see you at Piecing It Real.
I hope so too.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.